Hey everyone, this is Duran Singh with Truthful Soul Yoga, and I just want to create this video to help you all make the best decision possible for you to look for a personal trainer. So the first thing is, when you're looking for a personal trainer, find one that truly matches your personality level. There's many trainers out there with different personalities, just like there's different people, and you want to find one that's truly going to match um, your personality because it's important for you to gel well with your trainer. I've heard a lot of stories with people hiring trainers where it was a very unique experience, as where the two of them didn't get along whatsoever, which led to really more resistance in them getting the results than anything else. Second thing is look for a trainer that's going to measure your results and measure your goals. If you have a trainer, they're not tracking your progress whatsoever, they're doing you a disservice. Your trainer should be keeping you accountable with your results, your goals, and making sure that they're tracking you at least on a weekly basis, if not a monthly basis, to see that you're actually getting closer and closer to reaching your goal. Number three is have a trainer that's going to create a routine for you that's going to help you burn fat, build energy, and build lean muscle. Your routine doesn't have to be something that's going to be extremely difficult for you to do. That's a myth in the fitness world where you have to do an intense workout to get great results. You truly don't have to do an intense workout to get great results. So long as you're doing a workout that's going to focus on the total body, that's all that really matters. So those are three tips for you, and for you to look for a trainer that's going to definitely suit your lifestyle, your needs, and most importantly, your goals.